It's gonna
Look
be
at that
right for
ass.
outside.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Honestly, he is a beautiful horse.
He's gonna eat my fucking camera. They're nice though. Yeah, they're fucking nice.
These guys are really wonderful.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hi, buddy. Wild horses.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I would like to pass the road.
Straight, another 0.3. So we are following the alt trails here, and the road seems to have just disappeared. And it's getting real rough and real rugged, but Alex is a beast of a driver.
What's going on, guys? We got the car there because we're just like in the middle of some field somehow. And we're just on foot exploring, trying to figure out where the road is. Kind of confusing, definitely, to get here. So hopefully us getting lost can help whoever's watching this not get as lost.
You gotta be careful because alt trails and the maps show things, and then, you know, the road, it just disappears, and sometimes you just gotta send it. But it's not great. It's not great at all. For real. I just don't want it to be that smooth, so we can be like, yep, this is what happens when you don't know where you're going. We found the hold up. Alright, ladies and gents. So we took the sketchy road. We're a little bit further down. You can see it's way more developed than that
nice.
stuff we were on.
There's a person down there.
There's a person?
There's a
with
person
a dog.
with a fucking dog.
And
The person was very friendly, and he didn't eat us, and we have not eaten him. Dude, that's fucking sick! Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay, but yeah.
Hello. Just working on some video stuff here. We found the hoodoos and they're looking pretty nice, and so we got to get a pretty nice shot of them, and I'm gonna hold this thing as still as I can, and I'm a little tired. Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm setting up the camera here for a pic. We got some nice cool textures in the rocks here in the foreground. And then some really nice lighting. Fucking just hanging out here with my old camera, getting some photos. This is a sick photo though, for fucking sure. Is this the Great Alien Throne, sir?
I thought it was.
No, this is just an upside down boot. And we're here looking for aliens, not boots. So let's keep hiking. The actual throne is over kind of the next ledge. I think I see it right there. The sun, the throne. Here we've got Chef Max.
Never forget the bev.
Never forget the bev. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wow, here we are. It's crazy. I mean, the stuff before was beautiful, and now we've got this, and there's just beauty all around. And yeah, I mean, it's sick. All right, so we're here at the thing. We're taking some self-portraits with it. We got Max up there posing. He's on, oh, I thought he was on his phone, but he's actually praying to the Great Alien. And we're getting some super sick photographs, portraits. Also got some cool B-roll, and yeah, pretty sick. Alright, so now we're on an absolute fucking tear with the photographs. We're getting some pretty sweet self-portrait stuff.
He used to be double fisting beers, now he's double fisting cameras.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We're closing out here, packing up for sunset. taking some cool shots here of this little hoodoo. But yeah, like I said, thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys maybe learned something from it, whether that's travel, photography, hiking, whatever related. And this thing's in my face. And make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy the video, and check out the next one. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.